Okay. Yona, there's this problem, man. The problem that I always face. You find a guy, you find a girl that will say, all guys are the same. Like, every guy is a dog, every guy is a bitch. Like, every guy is the same. No, it's not like that. Like, why can't we guys have that saying for girls? Like, all girls are the same, because all girls hurt us in the same way. It's the same shit, just a different smell. I don't get it. So Tina, if you say shit like that, we go to all girls are the same now. Suddenly, we don't know how to choose girls. Why doesn't it apply to them good now, but they don't know how to choose guys? Like, there are nice guys out there, but they treat them like shit. And then Nati, Masenza Vanjalo Manje, we are wrong. We're not good people. Like, I don't get it. Kanti, isn't life supposed to be a 50-50 thing? Manje Toluguti, just because me and I'm a guy, I'm the one who's supposed to be doing shit in a relationship. I'm the one who's supposed to be, trying to make her happy and shit. Kantiana, why isn't she doing the same shit for me? And everyone, like, it ain't sense, man. It doesn't really make sense. It doesn't add up. Like, I don't get it, because when you go into a relationship, you go into a business investment. Like, you can't just invest in a business that you didn't know the pros and cons to you. You have to read the terms and conditions of that business, and the business partner that you decide to go into business with, you have to know. So definitely, if you decide to date someone, you date someone because you know where they come from. Basically, you know their financial background. You know what kind of person that person is. He or she might be that kind of person that comes from a family that doesn't have a lot of cash, or he might come from a family that has a lot of cash. That shouldn't count in a relationship. A relationship is supposed to be something worth being in. It's supposed to be your point of happiness. But then you'd find that this particular person, this business partner that you chose to be in an investment account with, they get to be those good business partners and whatsoever, but 6 months down the line, they start realizing that this business partner didn't invest much. I invested 50%. He only invested like 40%. He only invested 30%. But you knew that that business partner didn't have enough cash to buy those shares. And then now that you're starting to realize other things from outside, other businesses, you're starting to get interested in other people. You start to act like this other person is shit now. Like, put yourself in other